this DOM manipulation and handling will be the most important case in a Frappy customization. So then how can I change the content and attributes? So there are functions inner HTML and outer HTML. So inner HTML, so if I'm just taking an element and I'm just picking an element by an ID or class name and assigning to a variable element, name element. So then if I query element.innerHTML, it will give the value whatever it's having inside the element. So for example, here I have taken this element, right? If I put let HTML content to element dot inner HTML means console dot log, right? So if you get into this, so what is, you can see what is printed in here the console. I will reload this page, so we'll get to know. So we have got undefined here. So basically, it doesn't have a inner HTML. So this component does not have any internal components. That's why it came as inner HTML. But if I put, since we have selected that button component which does not have inner HTML, right? So if I put inner text means now we can able to find that is also undefined. Wait, these are all the child. Okay, inner text is login. Is capital. Okay, fine. Element of 0. I have put query selector, right? So then it will be assigned as a array. Then I have to index that array, right? So that's the error. That's why I got undefined. So since I put query selector all, element will have a type of what array. So then I will need to get the array value. First value means index 0. Then you will get to know what is the inner text and inner HTML will be login. So you will able to get all those details. Basically, if you collect an element and you can able to see what are all its values present inside that node elements. So using this object model itself, you can able to play around using the JavaScript. Okay. So if I put inner HTML means I will get the inner HTML content of that element. And also if I put outer HTML means it will be the parent element. So it will get the elements of the parent. So if I put like whatever I see outer HTML. So you have seen that printed as the button. So it will get all the HTML elements of your selected element. So it will be basically, you will get a string of that selected element. So here you have the button, but if you want that button to be stored as a string, then you can use outer HTML or outer text to get that elements, and you can store it somewhere and you can reuse all those things. Okay.